What if your balance could grow? Not once a year, not once a month, but every 8 hours. In Veritas Vault, time itself works for you. Every 8 hours, your staked VVA tokens automatically increase through a process called rebase. Here's how it works. Every 8 hours, your balance grows by about 0.44%. It happens 3 times a day or night, even while you sleep. There's nothing you need to do. Your rewards are automatically added to your wallet. No claiming, no clicking. And here's the best part. Each rebase builds on top of the last. That's called compounding, like a snowball that grows bigger with every roll. Let's say you start with 100 VVA. After 3 months of consistent rebasing, your balance could grow to around 327 VVA, more than triple your original amount. You don't need to press any buttons or track schedules. Everything runs on automated smart contracts that update your balance 24/7. While you focus on life, your tokens keep working. Every 8 hours, automatically compounding rewards. This system rewards patience. The longer you stake, the more your compounding accelerates. That's the power of time, transparency, and technology, all working together. Veritas Vault, where time rewards patience.